So once you have a good landscape of what is the developer experience today, it was really important to understand why it is that way and how it got there. So in our case, although there's many things we could pick at, we'll talk about APIs. It's a pretty common thing in the developer world. Our API specifications, they were something that was there, but they were never a priority. Developers at SailPoint at the time were never looked at as a first class user. So over time, we helped other organizations and other teams understand that developers today are decision makers when it comes to purchasing software. And you can say this for almost any software, but especially in cybersecurity and IT, you can't build an application that lives in a silo. You have to build an application that plays well with the other applications in an IT's organization. And the way that those applications communicate is through APIs. So when a customer is coming in today, they're not just looking at what does your application do? They're looking at what does your application do and how does it play well with everything else I have in my IT landscape. And the way that happens is through APIs, and the people that build those are developers, or sometimes what we call non-developer developers, or IT people who end up in a position where they have to use APIs. And once we helped other areas of the business make that connection, all of a sudden a lot of people were asking about APIs and how can these things be better.